He's Marty,
Yay!
New things every day. He's Marty, he's Marty, he's Marty.
Greetings, little Martians. I'm here with my friend Aurora and Lily today, and we're in a classroom doing some super fun experiments. Come with us, friends, and help us out. Friends, I'm so excited for these science experiments. Alrighty, Lily, let's grab an empty mason jar. Okay, now we need a jar full of water. Perfect. We need 2 colors of food coloring. What colors are we going to use today, Lily?
Yellow and green.
Yellow and green. That's perfect. And then, of course, we need baby oil.
I'm just gonna put this here in the back.
Perfect. All right, so go ahead and pour about 1 inch of baby oil into the mason jar, the empty one.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, now take the green
Just a sec.
food coloring
Okay.
and squeeze it in. Perfect. Now put the lid on the oil mason jar and shake it up really well.
Okay.
Shake, 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 shake. Is it all mixed in?
Yep.
Perfect. Now open up that jar and put about 3 or 4 inches of water. That's so good, Lily. All right, now we need to put the yellow food coloring in that same jar. Yep, now put the lid on. Shake it up. And then it should settle and separate. The oil should be on top and the water should be on bottom.
It's gonna clear on the bottom and a ton of bubbles up on the top. And it looks like it's a little bit glittery.
Do you see that, friends? There's 2 different layers. There's oil on top and then water at the bottom. And then the food coloring is settling in the middle of them. That is such a Martian-tastic experiment. I want to do more experiments. Do you want to do more, Lily?
Yeah.
Alrighty, friends, let's do another one.
If you're having as much fun as we are, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see more Martian-tastic fun adventures.
Alrighty, for our next experiment, it's called walking water. Ooh, that sounds fun, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so first we need 7 mason jars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it.
Perfect. Next we need paper towels. Boop, there they are. And of course, we need food coloring. And then we'll just need some water. All right, let's grab our food coloring. We have green,
Red,
yellow,
yellow,
and blue. So we take our red food coloring and put 3 drops in this first jar right here. All right, now skip a jar and put the same amount of green in the next one. Perfect. Okay, skip 1 more jar and put
yellow.
yellow. Perfect. And our last jar is going to be blue. Yep. That last jar needs to be a red. So we need to have red, nothing, blue, nothing, yellow, nothing, and
Red.
more red. Good job, Lily. Perfect.
I used the rest of the red.
All right, can you help me use my magic to fill these jars up with water? Ready? Zim, zam, shabam.
Ta-da!
Perfect, now we have them all filled with water. Okay, Lily, go ahead and grab 2 paper towels.
1, 2.
lay them on top of each other.
Here we go.
Fold up hot dog style. And place it right here. One side in red, one side in empty.
So,
Yep. Awesome. Now we need to do that with all the others. Perfect. Now we watch the water walk. Look at that, friends! The water walked. It went from red, and it went into this one, and the blue mixed with it to make purple. And then blue and yellow made green, and yellow and red made orange. I love learning about science and colors. Alrighty, Lily, for this next experiment, we are gonna need 4 mason jars of water. Alright, and next we need to make sure all the colors of water are different colors. Yay! Perfect, we have all of our 4 jars of color.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And what colors are we using today, Lily?
Red, yellow, green, and blue.
That's perfect! Okay, do you know what we need next? We need pretty white flowers. Ah, flowers smell so yummy. Sammy, look at that, Lily!
They turned all colorful.
It did! It turned our white flowers into all the pretty colors!
Look, in the yellow jar, there's yellow flowers. In the blue jar, blue flowers. In the green, green. And red, red.
Those are such beautiful flowers!
Red one does look a little bit pink.
Well, red is just a darker shade of pink. Did you know that, friends? I bet you did it. Oh, you did? They're smarter than I am, Lily.
Marty,
Yes.
I know why it made pink, because white and red make pink.
What? No way! Did you know that, friends? Lily's a genius. She's even smarter than Professor Smarty. I love these experiments. This one's probably my favorite of them all.
Sammy, I had so much fun with all these fun experiments. Thanks, friends, for coming with us. Be sure to like and subscribe, and then click here if you had as much fun as I did to go on another adventure. We'll see you next time. Zim,